I'd like to go over graphing a simple quadratic using a chart, okay? The quadratic I chose is f of x is equal to 1/2 x squared. Very, very basic. There's nothing, there's no k value tacked on. There's no, plus 5 or anything like that. There's nothing within here. There's no like x minus 8 squared or something like that. So it's very, very simple. There's not a lot going on, okay? Since there's no h and no k in this problem, really, they're actually zeros. So that means we already know our vertex is going to be 0. But let's just graph this using the chart and find that out visually. Okay? So what this function is telling us is that for whatever x value we plug in, our y value is going to be 1/2 times that value squared. Okay? So we're going to choose our x values, right? That's our input. Those are our inputs. And our output is going to be y. And how we get the output is going to be, we're going to multiply x, we're going to square x and then multiply it by 1/2. All right? So let's do it. So let's pick three values, okay? 3 values, that's nice and easy. And I want to choose values that are going to give me nice answers, okay? So since I have this divide by 2, this, making everything, halving everything, I'm going to use even numbers. Okay, so I'm going to choose 0. Actually, let me do this symmetrically. I'm going to choose, I'll choose 0, 0, 2, and 4. Okay? So if I choose these, let's do the math here. 0 squared is 0. 0 times 1/2 is 0. So our point is 0, 0. That's our vertex, right? We already knew that from looking at the initial problem here. Okay, 2. 2 squared is 4. 1/2 of 4 is 2. So 2 comma 2 is going to be another point. And we have 4. 4 squared is 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Okay, so then we're going to have the point 4, 8. Let's plot this. Okay. So we have 0, 0, 2, 2, so 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 4, 8. And right here. Okay. So this is half of our parabola, okay? A trick to get the other half would be that since our axis of symmetry, if you remember our axis of symmetry is x is equal to h, okay, meaning the x value of our vertex. Since our vertex is 0, that means our axis of symmetry is actually this line here. Okay, and we could just go across and make the same points across. So this is 2 away from the axis of symmetry. So we can go 2 away from the axis of symmetry on this side and put a point. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 away from the axis of symmetry. So we can go 1, 2, 3, 4 away. And there's another point. And now I have the other side of my parabola. Now you could have just put this, you can put these values -2 and -4, right? That's what these values are, -2 and -4, through this little chart and get these same values. But that's a little trick, the symmetry trick. And now we have it graphed. We have our minimum value or our vertex at 0, 0, and our axis of symmetry is also the line x is equal to 0. That's our axis of symmetry, AOS I'll abbreviate it as. Okay? So I hope this helped you. I hope it'll help you with your homework, and thank you.